What's up, creators? If you're shooting video, especially solo, then you need to hear this. Your tiny camera screen is holding you back. Today, we're talking about one of the most underrated tools in your kit, the external field monitor. And I'll be unboxing the ANDYCINE X5 to show you what you can actually do to level up your video workflow. I'll cover the key benefits of using an external monitor, why I never shoot without using one anymore, and show you what's inside the box with this touchscreen ANDYCINE X5 monitor. Whether you're filming YouTube content, interviews, client projects, or just want a better view of your shot, this monitor can seriously make your life much easier. Let's jump into it. Hold up, quick interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second. Now, are you tired of guessing your way through off-camera flash, building your portfolio, working with a model, or struggling to take better portraits in natural light? Yeah, I've been there.
Sign me up, because that's me.
Now is your time to learn from someone who's already made the mistakes so you don't have to. That's why I offer personal mentorship, online or in person. Whether you want to nail your lighting, sharpen your editing, or just want to stop making videos that look like crime scene footage, I got you. You don't have to figure this stuff out alone. Let's get your work looking like you actually meant to do it. Click the link below or head to robertsillphotography.com and let's get to work. Now, back to the video. There are so many benefits to using an external field monitor. I'm going to share with you a few that I believe that really seals the deal for you to have an external field monitor. First off, a 5-inch or larger screen makes it way easier to nail your framing, especially when you know your camera's 3-inch flip screen just isn't going to cut it. Pulling focus manually, a field monitor gives you focus peaking and zoom tools that help you really dial it in, so you could basically say goodbye to soft shots. You get tools like false color, zebra lines, and histograms, stuff that your camera just may not even offer. These tools make it easier to expose your image correctly, especially in tricky lighting situations. Shooting low angles, high angles, or from weird positions, a monitor lets you tilt and swivel your view so you're not stuck crouching or guessing. Of course, you can flip the monitor around so your client or director or even your talent can see what's being recorded, which helps everyone stay in sync during the video production of your project. Now let's take a look at the special features and what comes included in the box when you purchase the ANDYCINE X5. First off, it's compact and lightweight, only 0.5 pounds, so it won't throw off your rig balance, especially if you're using a gimbal or a handheld setup. You're getting a 1920 by 1080 touchscreen display with 1200 nits of brightness, which means it's daylight viewable, so basically say goodbye to squinting in the sun. It supports 4K up to 60p via HDMI and also gives you a loop out so you can send the signal to another monitor or recorder, which is perfect for multi-monitor setups or client previews. You can load up to 32 custom 3D LUTs, which lets you preview your final look while you shoot. Now that's huge for dialing in the style that you want on set. The rugged aluminum body means it's built to handle real-world use, not some plastic toy that can perhaps crack in a month. You've got all the professional monitoring tools built into this monitor: histogram, vector scope, false color, focus peaking, and so many more right at your fingertips. It runs off of DC and USB-C power and even features a DC output so you can power your camera directly from the monitor, keeping your rig running and nice and clean. With 3/4-inch 20 threads and a cold shoe adapter, you've got flexibility in mounting options for cages, arms, and top handles, whatever your setup needs. For a touchscreen monitor at this price point, the ANDYCINE X5 packs a lot of pro-level features that make shooting easier, faster and more accurate, especially when you're working alone. Of course, I'll leave a link to this product for you to check out down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me hear all about it. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.